They were time when my man was after the fishing. And he was coming in, but mist was come that stickit that he could hardly see his hand before his face. And then, all of a sudden, there was a wave that came, and then he realised, I ken where I'm at. I just did to follow this wave, and this wave will take me in to the shore.
What drew me to nature writing in the first place was that kind of need to put down on the page what I was seeing, and there's a sense of preservation, but also of figuring out the world around you. I always tend to quote Mark Doty's essay about the way our metaphors seem to function, and I find a lot of my metaphors are best expressed through the natural world. I like this idea of being perceptive to what surrounds you as a kind of connection between the internal and the external. It's about possession and being possessed by the land itself. Books really are important in keeping connections with nature alive. That goes beyond just the physical experience. There's a kind of mental connection you need as well, and that can be achieved through reading and writing.